Hi everyone! So in this video, I am excited because in 2 days, we will be traveling to the Philippines! And it's been 8 years since I've been in the Philippines. So this is more exciting for me because my husband is coming with me.
First time in Cebu.
Oh yes. So today I will be making a vlog about how I organize our luggages, especially the pasalubong. So it's a quick visit. It's only 8 days because we will be picking up my mom, and it's her first time to be in the US, and it's her first international travel. So that's exciting for her. It's a milestone for her. Hopefully we can make a content about our trip. So we have a total of 4 carry-on luggages, two for me and two for my husband. Each carry-on luggage has a maximum of 23 kilos or 50 pounds. So hopefully all this, including our clothes, will fit in, so we don't need to pay the excess baggage. So I am trying to avoid that because it's expensive. It's not cheap. So we will also have the carry-on luggage, which we'll carry with us in the plane. And yeah, that's it. Let's go and organize all this. These are all the stuff that I need to put in the luggages. So I already deflated the ball to save space. These boxes, if it won't fit, maybe I could just remove it from the box and put it in the Ziploc. Okay. I think that's all for the first luggage. We'll weigh it and then we'll see if it's less than 23 kilos. Let's weigh it. So I'm done with the first luggage. It weighs 44.2 pounds or like 20 plus kilos, which is good. So it should be less than 23 kilos. That's the maximum that I can put in my luggage so that I don't need to pay an excess luggage. Okay, let's do the second luggage. Okay. Mm. Some makeups. This one here. Okay. Bags or wallets. Okay. I think this is lighter than the first luggage. So just put it here. That's yeah, it's better. Okay, let's try it again. All our luggages are packed. Okay. All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. So these are all our luggages. Okay guys, join us going to the Philippines. See you on my next video.